Here we have a quadratic with two different kinds of x's, so I am going to have to use either the quadratic formula or factoring. Definitely start off by getting one side equal to 0. So I'll subtract the 7x from both sides. That'll make the right side here 0, and then there's no like terms over here, so I'll put this in standard form. First the x squared term, then the x term, then whatever's left. And that gives me values of a equal to 1, b equal to -7, c equal to 5, and I will have to bust out that opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of that discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2 times a. And it's my strong recommendation that you guys figure out this first. So looking at this, I would square that b in my head. 7 times 7, but they're both negative, but it ends up being positive, is 49. Minus 4ac, so these guys make a -20. 49 minus 20 is 29. And then I'm going to do the rest of the equation. So the opposite of b is going to be 7, plus or minus the square root of that number I just figured out, that 29, all divided by 2 times a, which in this case is just going to be 2. At this point, I usually try to simplify the radical if I can. 29 is a prime number. There's no perfect squares that go into 29. I still am thinking about this list of numbers, but it doesn't take me too long to figure out that none of these are going to go into 29. So my final answer is going to be 7 plus or minus the square root of 29, all divided by 2.